Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. MPS officer Gabriel K. Youngrai, released from jail, claims to be a victim of high-level khaki political vendetta. National People's Party Vice President Preston Tinsong slams its coalition partner, the United Democratic Party, for criticizing the party in the election campaign. TMC holds election rally in Janta Hills to reel in support for TMC candidate for 2 Jawai constituency Andrew Shulai. And State Congress files complaint against State Women Commission chairperson and defacement of city by election posters. The news in detail. MPS officer Gabriel K. Youngrai was released from the Shillong District Jail on Tuesday afternoon. Youngrai was arrested in connection with alleged diversion of funds in the construction of National Emergency Response System (NERS) building at Sadar Police Station and supply of dry ration. He was granted bail by the District and Session Court on February 7th and February 3rd. Talking to reporters after his release, MPS officer Youngrai claimed that he is a victim of high-level khaki political vendetta, even claiming that there is an imminent threat to his life and his family members.
Now I'm just giving my statement. I have so many things and so many RTIs I have filed from here which are yet to be revealed, and these will expose, and there is an imminent threat to my life and to my family. And this is highly political, all the highly political khaki vendetta.
National People's Party Vice President Preston Tinsong has slammed its coalition partner, the United Democratic Party, for criticizing the party in the election campaign. While addressing an election rally to drum up support for the party candidate from Soyong constituency, Somnin Mangyang, Tinsong said that it is unfair for the UDP to criticize the NPP as they had worked together for 5 years as partners in the MDA government. The NPP Vice President, however, said that the people should remember on the evening of March 2nd, the UDP will call both Conrad and Preston to plead to give them space in the new government.
Kiparlok na Pilipin na lumiyataw, na ibang kwa magkadaw TN. Nilay at lang sunset mati. Hikat yang ibenta, arbanay. Kemau bah hata arteri kami. Hinsap pun yung Conrad ba yung Presto. Hata pun hinsap. Dosa island ilang cemat ibarit-ibaria.
TMC MP and leader of AITC Parliamentary Party Rajya Sabha Derek O'Brien campaigned for the official TMC candidate for 2 Jawai constituency Andrew Shulai. The campaign was held at a Yamusyang Market parking lot which was participated by the general public. The campaign meeting was attended by former MDCs Madan Rimbai and Philemon Lingdo, who chaired the event, and North Jawai MDC Bright Star Churmang. Speaking at the campaign for Shulai, O'Brien asked the voters to give Shulai a chance to bring in the much required change for development and prosperity.
All of us together, I ask you to work full day with us, full day with Andrew Shulai and the team. Work for us for 13 more days, 10 hours a day. I promise you, please do this for us. If you do this the next 13 days, we will work for Meghalaya for the next 5 years for you.
The State Congress filed a complaint against the abuse of office by State Women Commission Chairperson Meghalaya Toy for participating in the election rally of Jawai NPP candidate Wailat Miki Shula. The delegation also made a complaint on the defacing of the Shillong city by the posters of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP President JP Nadda. The CEO FR Karkungor has taken cognizance of the matter and assured investigation and appropriate action.
Women's Commission is usually a political appointee, but we'll have to check the rules, and we'll also have to check the veracity of the complaint. So right now, until I get something in black and white, it'd be premature for me to say anything. Once I get the report from the district election officer, and once I get a reply from the person being complained against, then the matter will be clear, and based on that, then further action will be taken. But I cannot give any presumptive answer right now.
Meghalaya BJP filed an FIR against a fake letter being circulated in social media under the BJP letterhead, stating that the BJP Meghalaya is against the celebration of Valentine's Day. Meghalaya BJP President Ernest Mauri said the letter is clearly a cheap political stunt that a desperate position has tried to pull on the BJP just ahead of the assembly elections. He said the letter goes on to show that political opponents of the BJP are scared of the rising popularity of the party in Meghalaya and in despair are trying to give a communal colour to the elections.
This letter, it is totally someone has want to exploit the political. It is a political issue. Maybe some vested interest party, they has circulated this letter, which very clearly, I want to give a statement. This letter has been circulated from the NPP because now they know that we are going to win the election and we'll win in the majority. So they don't have any agenda. That's why they are circulating this letter.
The National People's Party candidate from Marshenrud constituency, Jujur Mirthong, has assured to make Marshenrud a full-fledged civil subdivision, set up a college and upgrade the educational infrastructure and health facilities in the area. He said this in an election meeting of the party at Umsopyeng village under Marshenrud constituency, refusing to comment on the development and initiatives taken by him during his tenure as the MLA of the constituency. He said the people knows and are experiencing the changes.
Saya kecingkran.
Rin bagi sayo yaki development ki baper hakane ka maus nut jongi. Naya compare yaki wei ki scheme. Compare swatang ka NEC scheme. Mano bayo naki paraim le yaki NEC scheme. Niyo tang mangi arngut. Uwei udayu MLA Congress badai na po chaput. But mga bayo nang na po Mausnrud. Dere halor ka nongrim bangi at restom. Niyawat yagalat kalenti naki department kibaper.
And now the weather report. The maximum temperature was 19.1 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 55%, while in the evening was 53%. Forecast dry weather with shallow to moderate fog is likely to occur at isolated places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. MPS officer Gabriel K. Youngrai, released from jail, claims to be a victim of high-level khaki political vendetta. National People's Party Vice President Preston Tinsong slams its coalition partner, the United Democratic Party, for criticizing the party in the election campaign. TMC holds election rally in Janta Hills to reel in support for TMC candidate for 2 Jawai constituency Andrew Shillai. And State Congress filed complaint against State Women Commission chairperson and defacement of city by election posters. That's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Then it's good night.